Hi guys, my name is Oscar. I'm a 12th grader at Okemos High School, and my favorite animal is a dog. Today we're going to be making a turkey out of things that you can find outside. I'm going to find some big leaves and for the body and some leaves for the tail. I think is the leaf we're going to use for the body. These are the ones that I want to use for the feathers on the turkey. Okay guys, now we're going to get some sticks for the feet of the turkey. Guys, here's a really good stick. See how it has the fingers, kind of like the feet of a turkey. That these red little berries will be really good for the eyes. I'm gonna look for a little acorn cap for the beak of the turkey. This acorn cap looks really good for our beak. Okay, now let's go inside to go and put it all together. There we go guys, now that we're all done, this is what the turkey looks like. Thanks for watching guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make the turkey. Remember to keep on learning and check books out from your library.